and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai, and today I will be showing you how to print a Precious Memories grave marker. We'll start off by selecting our product on the left-hand side and going to the Print Information button to view the dimensions needed to print this product. For more visual assistance, take a look at the videos listed on the left-hand side. Once you're finished, click OK, and we'll select Print to generate our PDF file. If you haven't already set your computer to do this automatically, please see our how-to video on the process. Once you've reviewed the template to make sure that everything is uploaded correctly, go to File, Print, and we'll begin changing our printer settings. Starting at the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here, we'll change the number of copies that we want to print, and we'll want to make sure that the following options are selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, and landscape. On the right-hand side, you'll want to make sure that the document size and paper size match in both width and height. After that, we'll go into the advanced properties. Down below, we'll want to make sure that the document size and orientation match the choices that we made earlier. Below that, we will change the ink to color. And on the right-hand side, we have the option to choose our input tray. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Last but not least, we have the paper type, which will always be thick 1. At this point, we can register the current settings in order to create a one-click preset. Do that by clicking Register Current Settings and naming your preset here. Once you've done that, you'll click OK, and you'll create a shortcut for future use. Now we'll click OK, and we're ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.